Today we will start exercise number 4.3 of class 11, type number 3. That is your type equations of the form ax square plus bx plus c square root plus px square plus qx plus r square root is equals to lx square plus mx plus n square root. All values are different. When all values are different and inside the square roots are three values, we always made the factors inside, means do the factorization inside. So when you do the factorization, you got the pairing from it. So one value is common from three. One value is common from all three. So we start now this type. Example number 3 I show you here on the page number 149. Here we have the example on the page number 149. This is the type. That's your example. And we have some questions here. Question number 7, all values are different. Question number 8, all values are different. Question number 9, all values are different. Question number 10, I just 11 question I involved in type number 2 because first two values are same. Question number 12, there are the two square roots and all values are also different. It involves in type number 4, next type, not in this type. Okay, dear, we have 3 square roots and all values are different inside. Got it? So we go one by one. First we write the question number 7 here. As I write here, x square plus 2x minus 3 square root plus x square plus 7x minus 8 square root equals to 5 into x square plus 3x minus 4 square root. So now we write, we always check these questions for the extraneous roots because of the radical equations. X square plus 2x minus 3 square root plus x square plus 7x minus 8 square root equal 5 into x square plus 3x minus 4 square root and say it equation A. Hope so you all understand it. Whenever you have three values and three values are different, so we always made the factorization concept. Okay, apply the factorization concept. So now let me check the factors for this first, for next and for next. When you made the factors, one value is common from all, then it becomes the type number 2, squaring and again squaring type. So first of all we check the factors, then something else. Okay, dear. So here I place a calculator, 5 and 3. For the first, I check the factors and I write at the side. So 1, then 2, minus 3. It gives me 1 minus 3. Change the signs, minus 1 plus 3. These are the factors of the first. Now we check the next factors. That is here 1, 7 minus 8. We got 1 minus 8. Change the signs, minus 1 plus 8 give me plus 7. Done for the second. Now for the third, without 5, inside is what? 1, 3 minus 4. So we have the factors here, 1 minus 4. Change the signs, minus 1 plus 4 give you plus 3. Got it, dear? So we got all the factors. Now apply one by one. Here we go. X square in the place of 2x minus 1x plus 3x minus 3 square root plus x square in the place of 7x minus 1x plus 8x minus 8 square root equal 5 remains same. In the place of inside, x square in the place of 3x, write minus 1x or just write minus x, your own choice, plus 4x, then minus 4 square root. Now we start to take the common, and one value is common from 3. Okay, one by one we check it. First, x minus 1 plus 3 x minus 1 complete square root plus x minus 1 plus 8 x minus 1 complete square root equal 5 remains same, use the square brackets, now take it common, x minus 1 plus 4 x minus 1, close the square brackets and your complete square root. What comes? X minus 1 into x plus 3 plus x minus 1 x plus 8 equal 5 x minus 1 x plus 4 square root. Now separate it. I bring this separate on left side and separate it. X minus 1 square root separate into x plus 3 square root separate plus x minus 1 square root separate into x plus 8 square root separate. Bring on left side minus x minus 1 square root separate into 5 multiply with this 5 into x plus 4 square root separate, and after that equals to 0 left behind because I bring on the left side. Now see, one value is common from 3, that is x minus 1 x minus 1 x minus 1 square root. So we take the common value, x minus 1 square root, we take it common. What left behind here? X plus 3 square root plus x plus 8 square root minus here multiply 5 inside 5x plus 20 square root equals to 0. Got it here? Now we have the factors, two factors, x minus 1 square root equals to 0 and this all equals to 0 as well. So put one by one, x minus 1 square root equals to 0 and x plus 3 square root plus x plus 8 square root minus 5x plus 20 square root equals to 0 as well. Both I put equals to 0. When I bring minus square root on the right side, it gives you type number 2, squaring and again squaring type. Here, squaring on both sides, I do directly x minus 1 square root square, and here we have the zeros square. Square square root cancel, x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1. We got the first answer, x equals to 1 here. Got it here? One answer we got it. Now here we apply the type 2, squaring and again squaring. First, bring this negative value on the right side. What left behind? X plus 3 square root plus x plus 8 square root equal 5x plus 20 square root. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. How you solve the type 2? Question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 11. Same we solve this question because it's purely your type number 2. First we got the answer. Hope you understand how to break this type. Now the next page, page number 75, 76 now. This chapter is your lengthy chapter. This answer we got it. Now squaring on both sides. We have a lot space to solve it. Right here, x plus 3 square root plus x plus 8 square root whole square is equals to 5x plus 20 square root whole square. So we solve as we solve type number 2, this part. Now see one by one. Apply a plus b whole squares formula, use empty one. A square plus 2ab plus b square equal, this square square root cancel, 5x plus 20 left. X plus 3 square root, x plus 3 square root x plus 8 square root, x plus 8 square root, square root cancel, square root cancel, x plus 3 plus 2, both value multiply in 1 square root, x plus 3 into x plus 8 plus x plus 8 equals to 5x plus 20. Hope you understand it how I solve this question. Now collect the like terms. X and x are the like terms. It gives me 2x. Constant and cost of the like terms 8, 9 and 11 plus 2. Square root we multiply inside. It give me x square plus 8x plus 3x plus 24 equals to 5x plus 20. This 2 is positive, so keep on the left side. X square plus 8, 9 and 11, 11x plus 24 equals to 5x plus 20. Now bring these two values on the right side. Minus 2x minus 11. 2 square root x square plus 11x plus 24, 5x minus 2x giving me 3x, 20 minus 11 give me 9. Got it, dear? Hope so till here you all understand it. Now again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. Apply the square. 2 square root x square plus 11x plus 24 square equal 3x plus 9 square. 2 square give me 4. Square root square cancel. X square plus 11x plus 24 left behind. Apply the a plus b whole squares formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. If you know directly, you can use the direct values, okay dear? Don't use empty. If you have some doubt, so apply the empty formula first, then use the values inside. Now multiply 4 inside. 4x square plus 44x plus 4 24s are 96, 4 4s are 16, 1 4 2s are 8, 9. Okay dear, they give me 9x square, 6 9s are 54x plus 81. This coefficient is big for the x square, so use drag and drop step. 9x square plus 54x plus 81. Now bring this all values on the right side. Minus 4x square plus 44x. Sorry, I changed the sign. It is negative minus 44 minus 9 because we bring on the right side. When you bring on the right side, sign will be changed. 96 equals to 0. It is minus minus. 9x square minus 4x square give you 5x square. 54 minus 44 gives you plus 10. 81 minus 96 give you minus 15 equals to 0. Check the calculation. Here 81 minus 96 minus 15. 5 is common from all because all the multiples of 5. So take 5 common. X square plus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. When you bring 5 on the right side, divided by 0 gives you x square plus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. This is my standard form of quadratic equations. Now we check the factors first if possible. 5, 3. 1, 2, minus 3. It gives me 1, then minus 3. Change the signs. Minus 1 plus 3 gives you plus 2. On the next page, we made the factors. Page number 77. Here we have the factors. X square, in the place of 2x, we write this minus 1x plus 3x. X square minus 1x plus 3x. In the place of minus 1x, you can write minus x. It's your own choice. Minus 3 equals to 0. So now, what is common from both? X common, x minus 1 left, plus 3 common, x minus 1 left equals to 0. X minus 1, x plus 3 equals to 0. X minus 1 equals to 0. X plus 3 equals to 0. X equals to 1 and x equals to minus 3. These two answers we got. But on the previous pages, I got one value on the 75 page, x equals to 1. Here x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 3 as well. So we check these all for the extraneous roots. So now one by one we will check. Start the checking. Don't make the two parts of the page because the question is the big value. Your given question is the big value. So put one by one. So first this x equals to 1. If I want to check this, same automatically checked. After that we check with minus 3. Now put x equals to 1 in equation A. A is your question. Here we have the question. In the place of x square, I write 1. So right here, 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 3 square root plus x square, that is 1 square plus 7x, 7 into 1 minus 8, complete square root, equal 5. Write 5 same. Then x square means 1 square plus 3x, 3 into 1 minus 4, square bracket, then take the square root. This is your equation A. Okay, now check these values directly on the calculator. So we have the calculator. Directly we judge them. Square root 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 3. First we got the answer 0. So here we write 0 plus next 1 square plus 7 into 1 minus 8. We got 0 as well. Equal, with 5 we solve it. With 5, square root 5 bracket and then again bracket because we put the square of 1. 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 4, close the bracket. It gives you 0. 0 plus 0 give me 0 equals to 0. Left hand side equal right hand side, means first answer satisfied. X is equals to 1 is not extraneous. we already got two answers for x. Here x equals to 1, here x equals to 1. So 1 we check, okay. Now next answer is -3. It is different answer. So now we check with -3. Don't check again with 1, okay? Check with minus, because 1 and 1 are both same. Put x equals to -3 in equation A. So now we check one by one. -3 square plus 2 into -3 square root plus -3 square plus 7 into -3 -8 square root equal 5, and you have the square bracket. Here you put -3 square plus 3 into -3 -4, close it, and then find the square root. Okay, we solve one by one on the calculator. -3 square plus 2 into -3 -3, it gives me 0. Next we check it. -3 square plus 7 into -3 -8, it gives me maths error. Let me check again, is there any mistake? -3 square plus 7 into -3 minus, I write here, -8. Okay, maths error means undefined, we got it. So without square root we solve it, without square root. It gives me -20 square root equal, come to this side, square root 5 fraction bracket and then again bracket, -3 square plus 3 into -3 -4 plus equal, again you got the math error, so press del, square root finish. Now we check it, -20 square root. -20 square root, you find the square root of 20, it gives you 2 square root 5. 2 square root 5, in the place of minus we put iota outside. 2 square root 5, in the place of minus we put iota outside. As I told you, whenever you saw the minus inside the square root, you put the iota. So here left hand side also satisfied the right hand side. Whenever you have the math error, please finish the square root and without square root you solve it. Okay dear, that's your main procedure. Now all answers satisfied means x equals to 1 and x equals to -3 are not extraneous. So 1 are the two values, x equals to 1 here as well, x equals to 1 here as well. So we don't write 1 comma 1, we write only once. Okay dear, when the same answers are here, we write only once. So right now, therefore solution set, no extraneous, so write directly 1 comma -3 is the answer of question number 7. Hope so you understand this type number 3 1 question. Let me check the answer on the book. See, 4.3 question number 7, 1 comma -3. Hope so you understand it. On the next page, we write the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is 2x square. I solved the question number 8 and I gave you the question number 9 as an homework with example. Example and question number 9. Maybe I give you homework. So question number 8. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 square root plus 3 square root 2x plus 1 equal 2x square plus 25x plus 12 square root. Here we write the solution. First of all, we write the question. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 square root plus 3 square root 2x plus 1 equal 2x square plus 25x plus 12 square root. Give equation A as the name, assign the name A equation. Okay, now three values all are different. Here we have the two values, so means when we solve these two for the factorization method, 2x must be common from all, 2x plus 1. Okay, because it's a single value given, so simple, automatically 2x plus 1 all comes same. Now make the factors for this first, and then after that I will make the factors first. First is 2, write 2 minus 5 minus 3. First you got the answer 3, here I write 3, then minus 1 by 2, 2 3s are 6 minus 1, I change the signs, minus 6 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1 give me minus 5, perfect. No need to make factors, two values. Next 2, 25, then 12. First answer we got minus 1 by 2, next we got minus 12. First we got minus 1 by 2, next minus 12. Multiply minus 1 comma 2 12s are 24. So when you change the sign, it gives you plus 1 plus 24, plus 1 plus 24 give you plus 25. Hope you got it. Okay, do the factorization. 2x square minus 6x plus x or 1x minus 3 square root, it's your own choice, you write, plus 3 square root 2x plus 1 remains same. Keep in mind this must common. Okay, equal 2x square in the place of 25x I write plus 1x plus 24x plus 12 square root. Now what common? 2x is common, x minus 3 plus 1 common, x minus 3 square root plus 3 square root 2x plus 1 equal x common, 2x plus 1 plus 12 common, 2x plus 1. Bring this value on the left side, x minus 3 2x plus 1 square root plus 3 square root 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 x plus 12 square root equal 0. Hope you understand it. Now separate the square roots. X minus 3 square root separate, 2x plus 1 square root separate, 3 square root 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 square root separate, x plus 12 square root separate equals to 0. As I told you in the beginning when I solved the question, 2x plus 1 must common from all because it's a two value given. So here 2x plus 1 square root, 2x plus 1 square root, 2x plus 1 square root. Take it 2x plus 1 square root common. As I take the common here, 2x plus 1 square root I take it common. What left behind? Square root x minus 3. Only 3 minus x plus 12 square root equals to 0. Both put equals to 0. 2x plus 1 square root equals to 0. Then square root x minus 3 plus 3 minus square root x plus 12 equals to 0. Squaring on both sides, 2x plus 1 square root square equals to 0 square. Square square root cancel. 2x plus 1 equals to 0. X equals to minus 1 by 2. First answer we got it. Now for this, we bring this negative value on the right side. Square root x minus 3 plus 3 equals to x plus 12. Now, that is your second type, squaring and again squaring. Apply squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. X minus 3 plus 3 square equals to x plus 12 square root square. Square square root cancel. Have you applied the a plus b whole squares formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square equal x plus 12. X minus 3 x minus 3 square root 3 square root cancel, it's because it's a minus. X minus 3 plus 2 3s are 6. It gives me 6 square root x minus 3. 2 3s are 6, I make it 3 square 9. X plus 12. It's a positive value. Solve the like terms. X cancel on both sides. Minus 3 plus 9 gives you 6 plus 6 square root x minus 3 equals to 12. Now bring this 6 other side. 6 square root x minus 3 is equals to 12 minus 6. Hope so. Till here you all understand it. It's very simple. You just do the factorization first in the question. When one is common, take the common, find the value from it. Now squaring on both sides, find the value. This like terms are cancelled on both sides, x and x. Bring constant on the other side. 12 minus 6 gives you 6. Now after that, we do again squaring on both sides on the next page. Page number 79. Page number 79. What is my step here? 6 square root x minus 3 equals to 12 minus 6, give me 6. 6 bring on the right side. Square root x minus 3 is equals to 6 by 6. Both cancel, gives you 1. X minus 3 square root equals to 1. Now again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. Apply the square again. X minus 3 square root square equals to 1 square, single value. Cancel. X minus 3 equals to 1. X equals to 1 plus 3. X equals to 4. This is my second answer. One answer we got here on the previous page, that is minus 1 by 2. Second answer we got x equals to 4. So now we check these two answers one by one with the question. So here we start checking for the extraneous roots. Start the checking. for the extraneous roots. First we check this. Put x equals to minus 1 by 2 in equation A, and equation A is your question. That is your question, as I put here. One by one we substitute the value. Two into minus 1 by 2 square minus 5 into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 whole square root plus 3 square root 2x plus 1. 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 equal 2x square. 2 into minus 1 by 2 square plus 25 into minus 1 by 2 plus 12 complete square root. First of all, we solve with square root. If method comes, so after that we solve without square root. Let me check all the calculation. First with square root. Here we have the calculator. Okay, first value is what? Square root 2 into minus 1 by 2. All questions you must check for the extraneous roots. Okay dear? Minus 5 into fraction minus 1 by 2, then minus 3. What you got? 0. So write 0 plus 2 to cancel, minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 square root 0, 0 multiplied 3 gives you 0. You can check by yourself. Okay, here I write only the changing. I do plus 25, 2 into minus 1 by 2 square plus 25 into minus 1 by 2, and after that it gives me the last is plus 12. So we got the answer 0. 0 equals to 0 means left hand side satisfied the right hand side. X equals to minus 1 by 2 is not extraneous. After that we check with 4. Put x equals to 4 in equation A. Already we have equation A. I just put the value here. 2 into 4 square minus 5 into 4 minus 3 square root plus 3 square root 2 into 4 plus 1 equals to square root 2 into 4 square plus 25 into 4 plus 12. You solve inside the square root all values with square root. Okay, 2 into 4 square. First you solve with square root. Whenever the method comes, then without square root. Okay dear? Method when comes, when inside the square root is minus. That's why method comes, otherwise no. Minus 3. We got the answer 3. Plus we solve this one. 3 square root 2 into 4 plus 1. It gives me 9 equal 2 into 4 square plus 25 into 4 plus 12. It gives me 12. 9 plus 3, 12 equals to 12. Means all satisfied. No extraneous root inside this question. So therefore, solution set is minus 1 by 2 as well, 4 as well. Minus 1 by 2 comma 4. That is the end of question number 8. Hope so you all understand question number 8. I give you question number 9. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 square root plus 6x square minus 11x plus 5 square root equals to 5x square minus 9x plus 4 square root. Homework as I solved the question number 7. As well as the example on the page number 149, x square plus 4x minus 21 square root plus x square minus x minus 6 square root is equals to 6x square minus 5x minus 39 square root. I give you these two as an homework. You solve these questions and send me. Hope so you understand today's lecture. After that we have the last type. Inshallah on the next lecture we solve that type. Till then, Allah Hafiz.